If you are crashing at 3 p.m. every afternoon, but you don't have time to overhaul your whole life, this one habit can give you steady energy all day with almost zero extra effort. Most moms overlook it. I did too. One of my students told me that after implementing this, she stopped feeling like she needed to have a nap every single afternoon and finally had consistent energy throughout the day. And it's not a new diet. It's not getting more sleep. It's not a long workout. It is a high protein breakfast. Now keep listening, even if you're someone who's not hungry in the morning, you're not a breakfast person, I have some tips for you as well. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly why this works to increase your energy and how to implement it in a way that actually works for real life as a busy mom. Before we get into it, my name is Erica and I help busy moms get back their energy by making really doable changes. No extreme diets or intense workouts, and no need to overhaul your whole life. So if that's the kind of support that you need, I'd love to have you here. Hit subscribe and let's jump in. I am a mom too. I have 3 little kids and I know what it's like. You do not have time. You are so freaking busy just taking care of everyone else. But I also know that you probably have this dream of being this really energetic and really present mom. And in order to achieve that dream, something has to change in order to improve your capacity to become that woman that you long to be. But that does not mean drastic changes. They don't have to be crazy things. If you do nothing else, this one habit alone will increase your energy so you can attend to what matters most, your family. And if you want a step-by-step plan to boost your energy and build simple, lasting habits like this one without overhauling your whole life, I have a free workshop where I walk you through exactly how I did just that. So that is linked down below for you. So what exactly makes a high protein breakfast so powerful for energy? Whenever you want to make a change, it is so helpful to understand the why. How is this actually going to help me? Well, for this habit, it comes down to your blood sugar and your hormones. When most moms eat breakfast, it's something quick and easy and usually carb heavy, a piece of toast or some cereal or a quick muffin, maybe just coffee. I used to love a good bowl of cranberry almond crunch. The problem is that kind of breakfast sends your blood sugar on a total roller coaster. There's a biochemist on Instagram that I followed for a while. She's known as the glucose goddess, which is a hilarious name. I love it. Her work is so interesting. But she says those big morning glucose spikes are one of the fastest ways to end up with that mid-morning brain fog, intense cravings, and the classic afternoon crash that I'm sure we're all familiar with. Protein changes the game. When you eat enough protein in the morning, your blood sugar rises more slowly, which means you'll have more stable energy throughout the day. And then your cravings later in the day drop significantly. And I experienced this. Jessie, the glucose goddess, teaches that just pairing your carbs with protein, so you don't have to give up your carbs, just put them with some protein, especially early in the day, can dramatically flatten your glucose curve. And the flatter the curve, the steadier your energy will be. And it gets even more important. I've heard Dr. Stacy Sims, she is an exercise physiologist and a nutrition scientist who specializes in women's health because women are different than men. She talks at length about how women do better with more protein, especially in the morning. It supports energy, muscle maintenance, and hormone balance. Many women, especially moms, because we're so busy and not so focused on our own needs, are dramatically under-eating protein at breakfast, which means by mid-afternoon, you're getting that crash and you're playing catch-up. Your body hasn't received the fuel it needs, so you struggle and you're drawn to coffee or carbs again for that quick energy because you need something to keep going. Now you might be wondering, how much protein are we actually talking about? Now this is really important. You do not need to obsess over numbers, but it is really helpful to have an understanding of what will actually help you here. So as a simple guideline, you want to aim for 25 to 30 grams of protein in your breakfast. That's the range that many experts, including Dr. Stacy Sims, recommends. But remember, and I constantly have to remind myself about this, we're looking for progress. Progress is the goal, not perfection. So if you're currently eating 5 to 10 grams of protein in your breakfast, even upping that to 20 grams will make a noticeable difference for you. And I know you're probably thinking, sure, Erica, but when am I going to make that happen? Whenever I want to implement a new habit, I make it as simple and repeatable as possible, as unintimidating as I can, because that's the way I'm going to make it happen. If it's hard, I'm going to fall off the bandwagon pretty quickly. So you want to make this dead simple for yourself. What I want you to do is decide right now, 1 or maybe 2, if you really like variety, breakfast options that you are just always going to have on hand, ready to go. You do not have to come up with a fancy new breakfast every day. I eat the same thing every single morning, 6 days a week. On Sunday, we have a pancake breakfast for fun, but we also make that high protein with lots of sausages. So my personal go-to is 4 scrambled eggs and a bowl of oatmeal with blueberries. So let me give you some very realistic options. Some of the easiest, quickest, and most delicious high protein foods, in my opinion, are eggs, cottage cheese, and Greek yogurt. 1 egg has 6 or 7 grams of protein. A cup of cottage cheese has 25 to 30 grams of protein, and then Greek yogurt has 20 grams per cup. So if you're looking for a way to do this in just a couple of minutes every morning, here are some ideas. 1 cup of Greek yogurt topped with some frozen fruit, some nuts, some seeds. That's going to be all you need. 3 or 4 scrambled or fried eggs, or however you won't like to make eggs, plus toast or a muffin if you still want that delicious carby food, or oatmeal like me. But oatmeal does take a little bit more time and effort. Now, I much prefer whole food options for protein, but if those suggestions are not for you, you can always use protein powder. You could add protein powder to a smoothie or to any hot cereal. If you can figure out a way to work protein powder into what you like to eat for breakfast, that's an option too. There are also some really good make ahead options if you're super busy in the morning and you really don't want to have to prep anything. 1 is egg muffins, or like a sheet pan omelet. You can make really large batches and just freeze them and warm them up in a little pot or in the microwave if you like to use a microwave. I don't, but we're talking little steps here. So if that's going to get you your protein in the morning, do it. Overnight oats with protein powder, it's just ready to go whenever you want to eat it. You can make smoothie packs in the freezer. So you get a bag and you just add in your fruits, your veggies, even your protein powder. It's literally all in the bag, and you just dump it in your blender, blend it up, and your smoothie's done. Or just boil up some hard-boiled eggs once a week so you always have hard-boiled eggs ready in the fridge. You do not need a Pinterest-worthy breakfast. You just need something really easy and repeatable. That's how you're going to make this stick. So decide what your go-to breakfast is. Maybe you have a backup that you like too, and just forget about it after that. And just don't think about it again. Now, if you're a mom that's like, I'm not hungry in the morning, I don't need breakfast, let's talk about this some more. I'm going to tackle some objections that you might have to this. So you might say you don't have time. Well, you can prep ahead. Like I just said, there's a lot of options for that. And honestly, it takes max 5 minutes to scramble some eggs. So that's not a good excuse anymore. If you say you're not hungry at breakfast, you can start really small with this. You can sip on a protein smoothie throughout the morning, or have kind of a snack style breakfast, a little bit here, a little bit there, Even a few bites of protein is better than none. and this is true. It might seem like a few bites is not going to make a difference, but it will. And your appetite will adjust as you are regularly doing this. Maybe you say, I just don't like breakfast foods. Okay, well, just forget about what you think are breakfast foods. You can eat leftovers, you can eat whatever. You can have steak, you could have leftover sausage or whatever you have from the night before. Eat that for breakfast. Just get the protein in, however you want to do it. Maybe you think that this will make you gain weight, but actually, for most women, higher protein improves their fullness, so it's going to reduce their random snacking later in the day, so you are not going to gain weight by eating protein. If this feels like a lot, just remember, this is one step that you can take to improve your energy and your wellness. Every morning when you get up, just ask yourself, where's my protein? I'm gonna get in my protein. You don't need a full life overhaul to completely change your energy. This one small strategic habit, repeated consistently, can do that for you. So share with us your favorite high protein breakfast idea. I'd love to hear in the comments. It really helps to hear what other people do to get ideas. So if you're ready for more steady energy with realistic habits, make sure you are subscribed. And if you want my step-by-step system for tired moms, don't forget to grab your free workshop. The link is below. This one change, eating a high protein breakfast, will give you more energy to show up for your kids, for your spouse, and for yourself. If you want more ideas for simple changes you can make to boost your energy, watch this video next.